Hello everyone. Some people, when they see such type of equation, they go from left to right without paying attention to the order of operation. So what they do the cube. So they get 18 minus 8 multiplied by 3. Then of course they first do the subtraction and they get 10 multiplied by 3 and they get 30. But of course this is incorrect because they don't follow the order of operation rule, which is PEMDAS, which P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, multiplication, M stands for multiplication, and D stands for division. They have equal priority and you need to do it from left to right. And A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. And the order to do is first to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication, division from left to right, and then addition and subtraction. In our case, what we need first to do, of course, is the exponents, because in the second we don't have parentheses. Then we need to do the multiplication, and only at the late stage we need to do the subtraction. So the right way to do it would be, first we do the exponents. It's 18 minus 8 multiplied by 3. Then 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. And then we do the subtraction, which is minus 6. And this is the correct answer. It's minus 6. Thank you very much, guys. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Ciao, ciao.